As a general rule, always make sure that the system power is off and the cable disconnected. Also make sure that the brake is on. To start the removal, remove the 4 probe holders. Next, remove the 2 screws behind the control panel. Then remove the 4 screws underneath the wrist rest. Lift up the control panel from the bottom handles and stand it up. Then unplug the 4 cables. Then remove the control panel and you are done. For the install, do everything in reverse order. Start by putting the control panel back and plugging in the 4 cables. Screw back in the 4 screws underneath the wrist rest. Then screw back in the 2 screws behind the control panel. Replace the 4 probe holders.